In my last couple of videos, I was using the Canon R6, and my largest gripe was that you couldn't turn off or turn down the noise reduction to the internal or external footage, even with the C-Log3 profile. And I didn't do a scientific type test. It's just that the log footage and the Rec 709 type footage at ISO 800 just looked way impossibly too clean for it to have no noise reduction applied at all. Now, for the average user, that's going to be a huge benefit because noise reduction is it's a pain to work with in post-production because as soon as you apply noise reduction, it takes forever to render. So if you don't have to do that while you're editing, most people are going to love it. But if you're looking for a really filmic grain to your footage, this is going to be a problem because you're going to have to add grain in post. And I don't like doing that. I'd rather just use the grain that's already in the footage natively. So this noise reduction got me thinking, what other cameras besides Panasonic cameras actually allow you to turn off noise reduction? And I realized my Nikon Z6 that I use like right now and for all my vlogs, you cannot either unless you're going external HDMI out with N-Log. And that's great. I took a look at this footage. It's noisy, as it should be if there's no noise reduction, but a log profile is not the best in every scenario. Like if you're doing a live stream, for example, you're not gonna live stream in log because everything's gonna look desaturated and gray. I would like to see that feature implemented in Nikons as well as the Canons, and now I have to go back and re-rent some of the Sonys as well. The ability to turn off noise reduction or at least lower it or increase it if you want a really clean image. Now, the Nikon, unlike the R6, you can do ProRes out, and that inherently has zero noise reduction to it, which is great. But you're gonna have to have a Blackmagic or Atomos recorder to do so. You can't do ProRes RAW to, for example, the Elgato capture card that I'm using right now. So that's something to keep in mind if you're looking for an image that keeps all its native noise and grain.